So what's up guys? Maulan na hapon guys. It's Burr month. It's already Burr months guys. September. Advance Merry Christmas to all. Ayan po ang aking palamuti. Merry Christmas everyone. Advance Happy Merry Christmas. Happy na Merry pa. At maulan na hapon. Merry hapon. Maulan na hapon. Burr months. Christmas is around the corner guys. Nagpaparamdam na naman si Jose Marichan. Kantahan ko kayo guys. Gusto nyo? Para lalong lumakas ang ulan. Ayan po si Typhoon Hana. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. So let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Alright. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sunod ron. So ayan po guys. Maulan na hapon guys. Maulan na maulan. Bahang hapon. Baha na naman guys. Baha. Happy Burr months everybody. It's Christmas time. Huwag niyong kakalimutan ang regalo niyo sa akin. Ayan guys, lalong lumalakas ang ulan. Stay safe everybody. Stay safe everyone. Wala na yung isang star doon, no? Lumipad na. Maulan na hapon. Maulan na hapon guys. Ayan po. Yung bubong na yan. Yan yung bubong na yan. Yan. Talagang pag umuulan, dinig na rinig ang ulan. Lalo na dyan. Yan, bubungkong yan. Yan guys. Ayan. May paniki ako. Ayan, paniki. Yan, lalong lumalakas ang ulan. Yan. Todo. Bagsak mo ba? Ayan na guys, bagsak na ang ulan. Whenever I see girls and boys singing lanterns on the streets, ayan guys, lakas ang ulan. Naririnig nyo ba yan guys? Oo naman. Ayan, lakas ng ulan, mahapong ulan guys. Mahapon na ulan. Ayan guys. walang maibang content kundi yung ulan, yung bagyo. Stay safe everybody, stay dry. Uso sipon, uso ubong, uso lagnat, uso trangkaso. Ayan na guys, ang lakas ng ulan. I'm only happy when it rains. Happy bare months, happy rainy days. Happy rainy days everybody. Advance Merry Christmas everybody. Huwag pong lumabas kung hindi kailangan. Mag-ingat sa baha, sa leptospirosis. Ayan guys. Ayan na guys. Ayan pa. Sige pa, lakas mo pa. Todo mo pa. Ayan na guys. Todo na yan. Todo na yan. Todo. Maulan na hapon guys. Maulan na hapon. Super ulan na hapon. Typhoon Hana. So please don't skip the ads. Subscribe and tap the notification bell. Let's support each other guys. Stay safe.